Welcome to our channel. Virtual reality, or VR, has become a rapidly evolving and captivating field in recent years. The latest buzz in this realm comes from the well-known gaming brand Asus, with its anticipated new VR headset. Leaked details suggest that this exciting piece of technology, codenamed Tarius, is poised to make significant waves in the market. What makes Tarius particularly intriguing is its operating system, Meta's Horizon OS. This integration hints at promising enhancements and capabilities, setting the stage for a potentially game-changing VR experience. The new Asus ROG VR headset is intriguing not just because of its advanced features, but also because of its mysterious codename, Tarius. The name alone sparks curiosity and excitement among tech enthusiasts. But what truly sets Tarius apart is its operating system. Unlike many other VR headsets on the market, Tarius will run on Meta's Horizon OS. This operating system is known for its robust performance and integration capabilities. By choosing Horizon OS, Asus seems to be aiming for a seamless and immersive user experience. This move also signifies a strong partnership between Asus and Meta, promising a high level of support and updates for users. The standout features include advanced eye tracking and face tracking technology. Eye tracking allows the headset to detect where the user is looking, enhancing immersion. Face tracking captures facial expressions and movements, adding realism to virtual interactions. The Asus ROG VR headset is expected to feature QD-LCD or OLED screens, known for superior visual quality. Users can expect vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and sharpness, enhancing the VR experience. Tarius will be one of the first third-party headsets to use Meta's Horizon OS, benefiting from Meta's extensive ecosystem and support. This suggests regular updates and improvements. The exact release date of the Asus ROG VR headset remains unknown, leading to speculation and anticipation within the tech community. Rumors suggest a release in the coming months, but nothing is confirmed. In summary, the Asus ROG VR headset, codenamed Tarius, is set to revolutionize VR technology with its advanced features, cutting-edge display technology, and integration with Meta's Horizon OS. Stay tuned for more updates and subscribe for the latest news on this exciting development.